Hello everybody. Today I am here to share you few basic steps of asanas that is very important for our day-to-day life. Overweight is a very common phenomena and that causes many life-threatening diseases to us. 15 to 20 minutes exercises that contains basic asanas may help us to fight against those life-threatening diseases. Of course, along with that, we have to be little careful on our food intakes. As our age increases, we should be avoiding carbohydrates and fats. Instead, we have to taking more fibers and proteins along with 3 to 4 liters of water every. Here I will show some basic asanas. So keep watching. Just remember, while doing these exercises, we should be breathing naturally. Let's raise our hands while inhaling. Bend towards back as far as we can. And then exhale and bend forward as far as we can. Try to touch the ground with the palms. If not, touch it with the fingers. Repeat this for 5 to 7 times, bending towards back and front while inhaling and exhaling. This strengthens the lower back bones of our spine. Please consult the physician if you have any back pain before starting these exercises. Now let's stand straight and bring both the hands parallel to our shoulders. Try to stand on our toes while inhaling and then raise both the hands, making parallel to the body. Stay there for 5 to 7 seconds and come to the normal position while exhaling. Repeat this for. This is little bit tricky to balance our body. This exercise is also for our back. First, we'll try to lean our body towards front, raising one leg towards back. We'll try to make the body and leg straighten, making 180-degree angle. Stay in this position for 3 to 5 seconds while breathing normally. Same process we will do with other leg as well. We'll repeat this 4 to 5 times. It helps us balancing our body and strengthens our backbones. Now let us stand in mountain pose. Bend one knee using hand to bring foot into upper inner thigh of the other leg. If this feels difficult, bring the foot to the shin below the knee or use the wall for balancing. Press into your standing foot. Raise both the hands parallel to the body and join the palms of both hands. Stay for 5 to 7 seconds. Keep breathing. If possible, let's close our eyes in this position. This helps improving concentration and our ability to balance by strengthening the arches of the feet and the outer hips. Now let's sit again, stretching both the legs towards front. Bend or fold one of the legs and touch the upper inner thigh of the other leg. Let's push the folded leg and try to touch the ground with its knee. Keep breathing easy. Now while exhaling, let's unfold and straighten the leg and bend the other leg in similar fashion. This helps circulating more bloods in our knees and it makes our knees stronger. Now let's sit again straight, stretching both the legs towards front. Bend or fold one leg and touch the upper inner thigh of the other leg, which is straightened. Lean towards front and touch and hold the toe of the straightened leg and bend the body towards front. Try to bend it as close as possible and try to touch the knee with forehead. Is a half part of Janu Sirasana. Initially, it may not be possible to touch our knee with the forehead. Lie there for 8 to 10 seconds while breathing normally. Now change the leg and repeat it. Same way with the other leg. This will help reducing belly fats, strengthening stomach muscles. This also strengthens our hip bones. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked it, please press the like button and also to get notified, press the bell icon. I will be waiting for your comments. Thank you for watching.